Hi everyone, welcome to a beauty box unboxing. A few weeks ago I was reading Amanda's blog Rhyme and Ribbons and I read about a few beauty boxes, and there was one that was cruelty-free that I really wanted to try called Wildling. So I ordered it and it arrived yesterday. Yay! So I thought I would film myself opening it and just seeing how it looks like and if it's worth it, and I thought I would give my review at the same time. This is the box. Looks really pretty. Right, it looks really nice. It's all wrapped in a little paper. This is a few of the products. I'm very excited to see a Scottish product. So the first thing is a Scottish Fine Soaps Company soap. I think it's called the Red Stack soap in a tin. So I look forward to trying it out. Oops. Ooh, it's all wrapped as well. Oh, it smells nice. It is really pretty. Alright. And I can definitely keep the tin as well for later. So it's really cute. Alright, second one is this one. So it's a hydrating body milk by Lucky Cloud Skincare. So it's sweet orange and vanilla. Should be hopefully nice. Oh, it smells like Christmas a bit. Oh, that's nice. Bit too orangey, but that's cute. I don't really like orange scented stuff, but it's really lovely. Alright, the next one is this really intriguing little box, which I hadn't read, and now that I read it, it makes a bit of sense. So it says it's cuticle remover. So, okay. Let's see what it looks like inside, because I'm not gonna lie, I've never used one before. Ooh, didn't expect that. Oh, I'm gonna have to research how to use this because I'm not sure. You can tell I'm not a beauty blogger, and I have no idea how to use any of this stuff. Oh. Oh. I don't know how this... Okay. Anyway, fabulous box. I really like it. It's really cute. So it's called Get Your Kit of Cuticle Remover from Butter London. Ooh! And now it's called, it's a little nail polish, little blue, which is really cute for the summer especially. So it's a Holiday Blues, Holiday Blues nail polish by Kiate. I'm sure that that's not how you pronounce it, but anyway, so it looks really nice. I was thinking of doing my nails tonight, so. I also got this full-sized, amazing, it's a straightening conditioner from Cowshed, I'm guessing is the brand. That's on the card, so that's a big plus. I'm quite excited. What does it smell like? It says wild cow, and I don't know if that's the scent, which is weird. Oh no, here. Organic rosehip, cornflower, and seaweed. Oh, that's very nice. I haven't been using a lot of conditioner lately, so that'll be nice to get back into it. Alright. And finally, they always, when I was reading about the box, they always say that they include like little extras, like a snack, a vegan snack, and some vegan accessory or something. So the snack for this box seems to be chocolate. So here it says fresh vegan chocolate from Mana Bonbons. So that'll be exciting. Oh, it says cranberries and toasted hazelnuts. Walnuts. Ooh. Ooh, that looks really nice. That smells amazing. Alright, back in the box. And the wee accessories are a little pin that says vegan as fuck, because why not? And vegan is the new black. It looks like a sticker or like one of these pads that you can add like on a jean or like a bag. So that's cute. I mean, I'm not technically vegan, so that's interesting, but supporting it definitely. So this was it. This was the unboxing of my Wildling box for this month, for May. I'm quite excited. This was the first month. I've signed up to 3 months, so I'll get 2 other boxes, which if you like this, I will do another vlog for the next one and the one after. I really am quite excited to try all the products and see how it is. So the box is £25 a month. So it seems to be quite a good things for your money, like full-size products, you know, little beauty things, little accessories, little snacks, and it's all cruelty-free, which is really nice, and I'm happy to be supporting that as well. So I'll definitely try it all out and let you know how it goes, and let me know if you know how to use a cuticle remover. That'd be amazing.